Wow, there is a basket. Let's find some toys. Wow guys, I found an excavator. Wow guys, I found a bulldozer.
Awesome!
Wow, it's very nice.
It's a blue color police car.
Outstanding!
Wow, it's another bulldozer, guys. Wow, there is more toys.
Good!
I found a cement mixer truck.
Amazing!
It's a yellow color supercar, guys. Wow, it's a red bus. It's amazing. Wow, there is more toys, guys. Wow, it's a minivan, guys. Look, I found another excavator, guys. Wow, it's a horse rider toy. Look, I found a mini tractor. Wow, it's a road roller. It's a white color police car. Look at this white color police bus. Wow. Oh, I found a horse. And there is also an elephant. Wow. Look at this yellow color police car. Guys, that is awesome. Oh, I found a red color police car. Wow. Oh, look guys. It's a tractor. Wow, it's a very amazing tractor, guys. Wow, just look at this. It is yellow color. So guys, my work is done. I have collected all these toys. Wow, that is so satisfying. See you in the next video. Bye bye.